In this video, we'll be covering the perfect system of subjunctive, active and passive. The perfect subjunctive active looks very similar to the future perfect indicative, except for the first person singular is erim, not ero. So the way it's formed is you take the third principal part, and then you add your endings erim, eris, erit, erimus, eritis, erint. Here's an example: portaverim, portaveris, etc. And then when you use all the other conjugations, whether it's second, third IO, fourth, or irregular, again, it's the third principal part plus erim, third principal part plus erim, third principal part plus erim, and so forth. The past perfect subjunctive active we've seen before. So to review, you take the perfect active infinitive, which is the third principal part plus isse, and then the personal endings. So it looks like portavis, and then the ending. So portavis m, portavis ace. And again, the perfect system is the same for all conjugations, regular and irregular. I have my perfect active infinitive plus my ending. Perfect active infinitive, ending. Now we're going to move to the perfect subjunctive passive. So for the perfect subjunctive, you take the fourth principal part, and then you take the present subjunctive of sum, which is sim. So to conjugate the perfect subjunctive, again, it's the fourth principal part, portatus, and then it's sim, sis, sit. And then for the plural, it's portati, aea, simus, situs, sint. And again, like all the other perfect subjunctive, it's the same for all conjugations, whether they're regular or irregular. Fourth principal part plus sim. The past perfect subjunctive, again, uses the fourth principal part plus the imperfect form of sum, which is sm. So again, the way this is formed is the fourth principal part, portatus, aum, sm, ss, set. For the plural, make it plural, portati, aea, samus, setis, sent. And again, like all other perfects, it's exactly the same. Fourth principal part plus sm. So to review the perfect subjunctive system, notice there is no future perfect subjunctive, because in the subjunctive there is no future or future perfect. And the perfect subjunctive system is the same for all verbs, whether they're regular or irregular, no matter what the conjugation is, just like the perfect indicative system. So perfect active, third principal part, plus erim, eris, erit, erimus, eritis, erint. For the past perfect active, it is the perfect active infinitive, which is the third principal part plus isse, and then the endings, mst, mus, tis, and nt. For the perfect passive, you take the fourth principal part, and then the present subjunctive of sum, sim, sis, sit, simus, situs, sint. Make sure you make it plural when it goes plural, and again, the same for all verbs, regardless of conjugation. And lastly, the past perfect passive, fourth principal part, and then the imperfect subjunctive of sum, sm, ss, set, samus, setis, sent.